Hey everybody, Gears here, and I know in the last video I said I was going to take a few different steps and space this out, but turns out my buddy was available today last minute, so we're already halfway through all of this. The parts themselves, we're only going to do one door today because it's taking longer than I thought it would and we don't want to go too fast and break anything. So we'll be doing one of these guys. This hinge just replaces, that's all there is to it. This reason the second person is needed is because when you raise the hinge and the door up for the first time, you install the piston. So that person needs to be able to hold the door up for, up to a couple minutes. Some bolts you use the old ones, some bolts you use new ones. What else have we got here? He helped me take the hood off. Me and him looking at the hood, we're like, oh, it's like 50, 60, 80 pounds, I bet. F&A, I can pick it up with one hand. It's ridiculous. But over here with the door, we're on page like 7 or 8 out of 12 or so. The panel came off. That was a little unexpected, a couple of things, but it made sense when we figured it all out. The door hinge had to come out. We had to stretch some of these wires by cutting some of the zip ties that hold them in place. I'm doing the door hinges now because right now this weighs what it's supposed to. I then strip everything out, put it into the new door, put the new door on, and theoretically it'll be all set. And also, if we pop over here to the instructions, so we're at this stage now, we're about to swap the hinges, but if we go a couple pages ahead, this is the inside of the fender, and I need to cut some of it out. So I'd rather make the cut before I do the painting so I can seal that fresh cut in. So that will involve, once this is all set, test fitting it, opening the door, making sure it swings properly, and then making sure my final cuts are good for the final paint. Technically, I should have the glass up. My battery is totally dead. There's no way to get the glass up, so we're just going to tape everywhere as solid as we can. And it works surprisingly well, how little you really need. And then it's 2 hinges, another 2, 4 on the door, 4 on the wall. And that's all there is to it. Balancing the door after that point, installing the piston. It's not too bad, but it's taken longer than we thought it would. But other than that, 2 minutes 30. We'll see if I can get a little more in this video, or I'll start another one. If I start another one, thanks for watching. See ya.